Do you like to create a dim date table in Power BI, but you don't know anything about Empower Query language? Don't worry, it's a piece of cake with AI technology. Just try Chat GPT. Hello everyone, Shab is back with a new Power BI tutorial. Don't miss today's video. I want to talk about an interesting AI tool that you can use to create dim date table in Power BI without having any knowledge about Empower Query. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel to get the notification for the new upcoming videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram and read Power BI articles on my blog. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, I recommend you to watch all the previous videos. I've already created 2 another videos on how to create dim date table and add physical info to the dim date table. But today I want to talk about the new AI tool, Chat GPT, and how we can use it to create a dim date table without Empower Query knowledge. Chat GPT is an open AI tool released for the first time in November 2022, and it interacts with users through conversations. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The first thing you should do is going to the Google page and search for ChatGPT. You can click on the first link and it opens up this page. You can click on Try ChatGPT to start working with this tool. If it's the first time you're using this tool, you should create an account. It asks you some personal information and after signing in, you will be directed to this page. Now in the text box below, you can ask any question you like and you will receive your answers. Before that, let's open a Power BI file in which I would like to create the dim date table. Just notice that in this video, I just want to show you how you can create a dim date table using ChatGPT. You can bring other tables into your Power BI file, build your model, and create visualizations. Okay, let's go back to the ChatGPT. And here I want to ask, I want an M code in Power Query to generate a date table from 2020 to 2025 and press enter. Once I press enter, the AI tool automatically starts writing a script in Empower Query language, which we can use to create the dim date table. Now you can see the code provided for you. From top right corner of the code box, I click on copy code and then I will go back to the Power BI file. Let's open the transform data. Now from new source on home tab, choose a blank query. Once it's created, go to the advanced editor and replace the code here and press on done. Boom, so easy. Now you have a date table. Now you can change the table name to dim date. And you can also add other columns. To do this, go to Add Columns tab, select Date column, and from Date and Time section, choose Date, and add whatever columns you like. If you like to investigate more, I recommend you strongly to watch the other videos on the channel on how to create dim date table and physical date table in Power BI. It is really easy to create a dim date table in Power BI using ChatGPT without even knowing a word about Empower Query language. If you want to explore more about the code ChatGPT created for you, you can also go back to the ChatGPT website and write Would you please explain this code to me step by step? And amazing! Wait for some seconds and you can see ChatGPT describes any line of code created for you. If you like this video, please press the like button and put your comments below this video. Also, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel to get the notification for the new upcoming videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram and read Power BI articles on my blog. Have a good day, all Power BI lovers.